Knock knock. You know you have to get rich quick, at least by 2024, because the window of opportunities is getting tighter and tighter since the inflation started. You already feel the first signs of this massive inflation, and I'm telling you, it's not the worst point yet. You already know how much you pay for your groceries, how much you pay for your petrol, how much you pay for your clothes. The prices of those basic things went terribly up. It's because of the inflation. The value of money is basically going down. The printed money is getting less value than before. Why it happens? Remember when COVID started in 2020, US government basically was printing loads of money. That's why we got such a boom in real estate. The prices of houses went so much up and everything was just booming. You could definitely see an incredible increase in the value of NFTs, crypto. The prices of those assets went incredibly up. In that time of COVID, basically could afford to invest in different assets. And unfortunately or fortunately, that's the way to go. Money, the printed money, will be losing its value and assets will increase the value. We all experience at the moment the ramping inflation when the prices of petrol, diesel, houses and groceries incredibly up in a terrifying speed. At the moment we are as well experiencing the asset prices going down. You probably heard about cryptocurrencies crash, that the prices went down, and they did. And that's why we are talking here about that opportunity that's coming. And we don't know exactly when it happens. We assume it's gonna happen in the next 18 to 24 months. So that's why I'm talking about that small window of opportunity that you have to invest in your assets. However, to invest in assets, you must have some savings. For wealthy people, it really doesn't matter if the market is crashing or not, if there is any inflation. They have enough assets to keep them going and to go through any recession or inflation. And they will always have their assets, and that's how rich become richer. We actually cannot even talk about to get rich quick, it's just to get rich quicker. Hi, my name is Money Teacher Agnes and I am a social media marketing strategist and content strategist, and I help especially e-com businesses to help them grow and generate more income. Welcome to my channel, which is about marketing strategies and business ideas that will help you make money online. So here I have for you 3 business opportunities that do not require prior investment. First of them is dropshipping. Dropshipping basically depends on finding a trending product that people are buying at the moment, that people are searching for, and then going to any wholesale website, the ideal dropshipping website like AliExpress, and finding the dropshipper that can deliver the goods for us to the consumer. However, it's not always easy to succeed in that e-commerce environment because there is usually quite a lot of competition. So you need a bit of marketing skills and you need to ideally implement a sales funnels strategy to really succeed in your e-commerce, at least at the beginning. And if you don't have those skills, the best is to go and reach for digital marketing agency like this one here. The next business idea that doesn't really require upfront investment is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basically depends on advertising and recommending other people's products and driving your audience to the product's website. That's it. The rest, what happens on the website, completely is up to the website or the product's owner. And usually you get commissions for the conversions, and the ideal product that I would recommend would be high ticket product, but I call them high ticket offers because you really need to offer something else from yourself to make you stand out from the rest of the crowd. Because imagine that hundreds of people is advertising the same t-shirt, so you must prove to the buyer that buying the t-shirt of you, he will gain more value. And it's up to you to really figure out how to make that offer more interesting, so all the eyes of those consumers or prospects will be on you and will make them to make up their mind, to make their decision to buy of you. If you really want to gain a very good knowledge about affiliate marketing, I strongly recommend you to click the links in the description where you will get a crash course about affiliate marketing. At the moment, still an ideal social media website to do your affiliate marketing is TikTok. And if you want to grow your TikTok account quick, then I strongly recommend you to take part in the TikTok's challenge. And the third business that is great to do is sell or create digital products. Digital products that can be courses or softwares or some downloads. It all depends on you, what interests you, and if there will be enough of audience for that particular product. You must check what is trending at the moment and what people are searching for. And to do it again the proper way, you would need some kind of a sales funnel, either social media sales funnel. If you want to speed up growing your business, then there is nothing better like paid ads, either Google ads or TikTok ads or Facebook ads, all depending where your ideal business is. If you don't know where you can find your audience, have a chat with me. Check the link in the descriptions and drop me an email. So no matter what business you choose to start, to boost your income, be able to generate more savings, you still need a help of a marketing agency to really do it quickly, because time is ticking to be able to buy your assets. As I said before, we only have from approximately 12, 18 or 24 months to really buy our assets before the prices will go so much up that it will be very, very, very hard to buy any asset. So not to miss the opportunity of buying assets, you must generate more savings. And to generate more savings is to start your business. Because ordinary jobs, they will not generate enough income to make you save your money because of the current inflation. And the inflation rate is gonna be going constantly up. If you have already a business in mind, then I strongly recommend you to contact the agency and discuss your situation and find out what's the quickest way to grow your business. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope to see you soon.